What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best foldable phones that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The OnePlus Open is a groundbreaking device that combines cutting-edge technology with a sleek design, catering to users seeking a powerful and versatile smartphone. This flagship device is equipped with 16 GB of RAM and a spacious 512 GB storage capacity, ensuring optimal performance and ample space for multimedia and applications. The device features premium displays, including a 6.31-inch exterior display and a foldable 7.82-inch interior display. With a near-invisible crease, Dolby Vision, 10-bit color, and a remarkable peak brightness of 2800 nits, users can expect a superior viewing experience. Multitasking reaches new heights with the introduction of Open Canvas, allowing instant app switching and drag-and-drop functionality across apps. The OnePlus Open excels across various scenarios, including gaming, entertainment, and productivity, thanks to its iconic Oxygen OS design language. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the powerful triple camera array co-developed with Hasselblad, featuring a 48-megapixel primary lens, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 64-megapixel periscope zoom lens. The device excels in capturing pro-grade portraits with natural bokeh, high color accuracy, and the ability to shoot in Dolby Vision HDR format. Under the hood, the OnePlus Open is driven by a robust Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, ensuring a seamless experience for graphics-intensive apps, games, and content consumption. The inclusion of a 4,805 mAh battery with 67-watt fast-charging capabilities underscores the device's commitment to efficiency, allowing users to go from 1% to 100% in just 43 minutes. In summary, the OnePlus Open offers a compelling package of design, performance, and innovative features, positioning itself as a high-end device for users seeking a versatile and powerful smartphone experience. The Huawei Mate X3 emerges as a revolutionary foldable smartphone, seamlessly blending innovation with top-tier features. The centerpiece is its expansive 7.85-inch foldable OLED display, characterized by a silky smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, accompanied by a convenient 6.4-inch cover display for added versatility and ease of use. Under the hood, the Mate X3 harnesses the power of the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 4G chipset, ensuring a high-performance experience for users. Boasting an expansive 512 GB of storage and a substantial 12 GB of RAM, the Mate X3 provides an abundance of space for multitasking and storage, catering to the demands of modern users. Photography enthusiasts will be captivated by the device's UltraVision 50-megapixel camera, equipped with X-Mage technology and an impressive 5x optical zoom, promising exceptional image quality. Connectivity options abound, including Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C, GPS, NFC, and dual-band Wi-Fi, delivering a comprehensive range of options to users. The Mate X3 is fortified with a robust 4,800 mAh battery, ensuring prolonged usage on a single charge. Operating on the harmonious HarmonyOS 3.1 and EMUI 13.1, the Mate X3 promises a user-friendly and efficient interface. In addition to its core features, the Mate X3 presents a suite of extra capabilities, including IPX8 dust and water resistance, stylus support, stereo sound, and a variety of sensors such as fingerprint, gravity, gyroscope, and compass. This amalgamation of top-notch hardware and design elements positions the Huawei Mate X3 as a flagship device, offering users a premium foldable experience in the ever-evolving landscape of smartphones. The Honor Magic V2 is a cutting-edge foldable smartphone that combines a sleek design with powerful features. At its core, the device boasts a foldable LTP OLED display with a resolution of 2156 by 2344 pixels, offering a visually stunning experience. The 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, and IMAX enhanced support enhance the display quality, ensuring a smooth and immersive viewing experience. Under the hood, the Honor Magic V2 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and Adreno 740 GPU, providing seamless performance for multitasking and demanding applications. Its octa-core CPU configuration contributes to the device's efficiency and responsiveness. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the 5-megapixel triple-main camera setup, co-engineered with Sony, delivering impressive photo and video capabilities. The 16-megapixel single selfie camera ensures high-quality self-portraits. To support these features, the phone comes equipped with a substantial 5,000 mAh non-removable lithium polymer battery. The addition of 67-watt fast-charging technology enables the device to charge from 2% to 100% in just 54 minutes, a notable feat in the realm of foldable flagships. Connectivity options are diverse, with support for 2 to 5G networks and dual SIM capability. The inclusion of NFC adds convenience to the connectivity features of the device. In summary, the Honor Magic V2 stands out for its thin design, robust performance, impressive camera capabilities, and substantial battery that ensures a satisfying and enduring user experience. The Oppo Find N3 Flip is a state-of-the-art device that brings together cutting-edge features for a premium smartphone experience. The phone boasts a captivating 6.8-inch 120Hz AMOLED display, ensuring a visually immersive and smooth interface. Its innovative cover screen adds to the overall user-friendly design, providing quick and intuitive access to essential information. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the Hasselblad camera system, featuring a remarkable 50-megapixel rear camera and a 32-megapixel front camera. This setup delivers high-quality, detailed images and ensures stunning selfies, capturing moments with precision and clarity. Powering the Find N3 Flip is the robust MediaTek Dimensity 9200 processor, enabling seamless and efficient performance for various tasks and applications. The phone comes equipped with a substantial 4,300 mAh battery, complemented by a 44-watt fast charge feature, ensuring quick and convenient charging for extended usage. The Oppo Find N3 Flip stands out with its industry-leading hinge design, combining durability and style for a distinctive and reliable build. Operating on Android 13, the phone provides an impressive user experience with the latest software advancements. Connectivity options are diverse, supporting dual nano SIM cards, eSIM, and various 5G NR bands. Additionally, features like Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and a USB Type-C interface enhance the overall connectivity experience. In summary, the Oppo Find N3 Flip seamlessly integrates top-of-the-line hardware, innovative design elements, and robust software features to offer users a premium and satisfying smartphone experience. The Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 stands at the forefront of Android smartphones, showcasing a range of impressive features. At its core is an expansive 8.03-inch E6 OLED display, boasting a resolution of 2160 by 1916 pixels. This delivers a visually stunning experience, complemented by vibrant colors and sharp details. Driving its performance is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, ensuring seamless and responsive operation. The device is equipped with a generous 1,024GB storage capacity and 16GB of RAM, facilitating efficient multitasking and providing ample space for storage needs. With a 4,800 mAh battery, the Mix Fold 3 ensures extended usage without compromising on power. Its thin, lightweight, and foldable design adds a layer of portability and convenience, making it an ideal companion for users on the go. The smartphone doesn't compromise on audio quality, featuring flagship stereo sound with dual speakers for an immersive audio experience. On the photography front, the Mix Fold 3 boasts a versatile quad-camera setup, including a powerful 50-megapixel primary sensor, two 10-megapixel telephoto sensors, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. In summary, the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 seamlessly merges cutting-edge technology with innovative design, offering users a premium smartphone experience that encompasses impressive display, powerful performance, ample storage, extended battery life, and exceptional camera capabilities.